Before we get into today's video, man, I just want to let you guys know that the shop that we're going to, America Muffler, is offering the DBFam 10% off of all the services they offer. Whether you need exhaust work or automotive repair, all you got to do is pull up, show them on your phone that you are subscribed to the channel, and that's going to get you 10% off of whatever it is you need. So for all my local guys here in the Phoenix area, Arizona, man, go hit them up, dude. Show them some DBFam love. Here's all their contact information, and I will also have it in the description down below. Rughead!
Jesus, like you scared me.
Joshy Bear!
Joshy Bear.
Meatball? That's an inside joke you guys just won't understand. Anyhow, we got Braven's car out here once again. You guys, I put it in the end of the clip, him pulling up. Tint came out freaking dope, man. I can't wait to get the BMW done. He hasn't cleaned it yet because they told him he can't. So anyhow, it is now that time. We are heading out to go and get the exhaust done on this little single cam. Why the frick do you lock your doors, Bravus? You act like you live in a bad neighborhood where cars get stolen on a regular basis.
We do.
Yeah.
You do. Oh, I do too. I'm in a different area though.
Yeah, sunny slope over here.
Perfect. My Tegra 3 years ago.
Hey there, buddy. I know, right? I pulled up, I was like, hey, a freaking DA.
That's dope. It's nice to see him.
Yeah, hey, let's do a little before clip, bro. Just pulling up to America Mufflers, man. I've been coming to this place for years, dude. I don't even think that the guy that owns this place knows that. I've been coming to this place since before they were here. They used to be across the street over there. Oh, like, I brought my old S10, the Firebird. I brought the Firebird down here.
That's a long time.
Dude, I mean years ago, bro. But yeah, start this thing up, bro. We gotta see what this thing sounds like right now, before and after. Hell yeah! All right. Don't put that little single cam under too much stress there, buddy. All right, I know you guys already seen what we have for it, what Fackler sent out, but we're gonna go ahead and show you again really quick. So we got a box of goodies. He sent an amp again. This is just where you store your amp at, right?
That's where I just store it at.
Yeah, so Flowmaster muffler and resonator that we're gonna be putting on the car. So just so you guys know, Braven's not going for this car to be freaking loud, you know what I mean? It's a single cam for one and it's an automatic for two. So he just wants it to have a little bit more sound, but hopefully,
yeah, not too much. If it's too much, I'm gonna be like, yeah, just put the stock one back.
Yeah, no, hopefully it's kind of deep sounding.
Yeah, a little bit more deeper. Like,
yeah, not real raspy.
Piping.
Yeah, we'll see. So basically, America Muffler is gonna be taking care of us for the piping and everything.
Get that off my hood.
And we got.
Doesn't mean I want to dance.
Got a fancy little tip going on. What's up, brother? What's going on, man? Long time no see.
Yes, sir. How you doing?
Yeah, so we're just showing him what he has. So he has a muffler and a resonator he wants to put on. We know it's not going to be really loud with this stuff.
No.
So
that's not pretty mellow.
Yeah, he's wanting it for the most part to be kind of quiet.
Yeah, you want to be all ricey.
Yeah, because it's a single cam auto. You know what I mean? He's going for the whole stock. Ish, like with this car, but
just with the aftermarket goodies.
Yeah, just a little bit here and there.
Yeah. Are you ready for us or what?
Want me to pull it up?
Lift is clear. Damn, it's freaking game time, bro. Already getting us in. That's what's up. Well, there it is, man. That's his stock exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of these guys' way and let them work their magic. Get that shit out of here. Braven's so proud. Bro, we've been here for like 2 minutes. They already have the stock exhaust off. It's already off, and they're already working on the new exhaust. Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Right there. It's not sticking out too aggressively.
Yeah, I don't want to say it too much, but yeah, no, I think it looks good. Like,
oh yeah.
Yeah,
it's
no,
both flush
it'll be
with the
perfect.
bulb.
Yeah, that's perfect. Because this car does smoke a little bit, so you can keep all the crap off the bumper. Look at this man. Oh, this is the first time I've seen this thing since you got it wrapped.
Yeah, it looks good.
Hell yeah. It's been done for like months now.
Pictures don't do it justice.
That's what happens. I don't ever leave the house.
It looks better in person than pictures. No, yeah, most definitely. Because like I see it on the, it looks really good on photos, but like in person, it just looks 1,000 times better.
Yeah, it came out really nice.
I should just wrap my car. Screw it, I'll do the same wrap.
It's just as expensive as painting it, isn't it?
That's another thing. Did you take the wrap off? The same wrap. I got my lip.
Yeah, I seen that.
Most shops still have it on the side where you can't even see it.
Dude, that came out freaking clean, bro. I like how the tip is like right on the end of the muffler like that. I mean, there's really nowhere else to put it, but yeah, it's just where it fits. Yeah, it came out freaking clean, dude.
That looks clean.
And then I put the
Hell yeah.
fingers on top, set it on the side.
Oh yeah.
That looks clean.
Hell yeah.
Sick. Good job, bro.
That's what's up. I appreciate you, dude.
Yeah, that's so dope. Can't wait to hear it. It's gonna be loud. I'm kind of scared to start it up.
Moment of truth, bro. Is it gonna sound ricey or what?
I feel like it might.
He's hoping for it to not be too loud. Like he wants it to just have a little bit more of a tone to it, but
Especially with the resonator and everything, that should sound pretty good.
we'll see. It's all you. Hey, that's not bad at all, bro. You gotta give it a little gas. Come on now.
Yeah, let's hear it. Let's hear it.
It's got a little rasp up there, but it's not bad. No, that sounds good, man. We'll have to go find a street to do some drive-bys so we can actually hear what it sounds like. You gonna pull it out? Yeah, you have to move. Get out of the way, Anthony. What the fuck's your problem, man? Hey, we can't hear his car, bro.
That sounds good.
Hell yeah. That's not bad at all.
That sounds
This
good.
man over here setting alarms off and shit. Do you want to show him your car?
Yeah.
We were by here yesterday and he was showing it to us, man. This thing is freaking sick.
Don't mind if I steal your fitment.
Steal your fitment?
Yeah, I gotta copy it. 205. Yeah.
Bang, bang. Look at that, bro. You don't even expect it. That's what's up. When you popped the hood yesterday, I was expecting a single cam. But you got air conditioning and everything in this? H22 swapped, got AC, the SIR bumpers. Dude, this thing is freaking sick, man.
I've had it for like 6, 7 years.
Oh, really? You've had it for a while. That's what's up. All right, guys, I'm gonna put all their information in the description down below. I'll also have it on the screen, but huge shout out to you guys, man. You guys did a killer job on this car. You've been doing this for a long time too, right? Because I know you,
17.
dude, you did my, I don't even think you know, but you did my S10 Blazer and my Firebird, like, dude, I want to say, yeah, the Buick is more recent, bro, but I'm talking about you guys were across the street.
Yeah.
Right at
that Billy Bertels or whatever.
Yep, I'm the one years ago I was talking about renting the stall next to you.
Yeah.
Years and years ago about doing like mechanic work.
You was probably talking to probably my father-in-law at that time.
I think it was you, bro, if I'm being honest. Yeah, because
maybe my brother.
I remember the dude was like close to my age, you know what I mean? So something. I know I've been coming to you guys for years, man. Every time I've ever talked to anybody about getting exhaust work done, they always bring you guys up. So it's like you guys are already well known around here. So anybody that has the Hondas, they know where to come. I mean, you guys are Honda guys, you know what I'm saying?
Anything,
like
really.
anything, of course, but I mean, you know your way around the Hondas for sure. And that's mostly what my subscribers are.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But again, bro, I appreciate you, man. You guys did killer work. It's good meeting all of you.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna hit the road, go find a place to do some drive-bys and see what it sounds like with it rolling. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Don't you do that, you sick fuck. Everything's out of freaking order, so I guess I'm getting Sprite. And Powerade.
Almost like
Maserati?
Photo shoot.
Hold up. Pose.
Photo shoot.
DB's in the chain looking wet.
Like a little bit on the side.
Huh?
You put your car a little bit straight.
Oh my god. Man's over here doing QT freaking photo shoots.
Well, it's because my car looks like trash in it because of the sun. The sun's on my front end, so I was like, you know, we'll just get your this car. Don't stop that there. It's my paint, bro. What's she thinking? What if I did that to khaki? How would you feel?
Alright, dude, have you seen khaki lately?
She's dirty, doesn't
Dirty as hell, bro. Josh, you're so majestic, my friend.
Hold up. Pose. Hold up. Pose.
That car smokes so much. Oh my god, and it stinks. Dude, I need to figure this car out. This thing's a bucket.
Got a nice sound to it.
Yeah, she's pretty. She's pretty. She's pretty.
I mean, it's a single cam, but it's got a nice tone to it. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't get too crazy raspy and too crazy loud. You know what I'm saying?
It's like a good medium.
Yeah. So I mean, if you actually get on it, it gets kind of loud, but Braven doesn't drive like that anyhow. But I need to get VTEC working.
Yeah, it has VTEC and everything. I just need a different ECU.
Anyhow, I wanted to go to like an empty street and actually do like some like like just drive-bys, you know, just record you as you go by, like doing 30 or 40 or something, so you can actually hear what the car sounds like. But I have the baby now, and I'm not gonna go pick my mom up again for a second day in a row to watch him, so we'll have to do that another day. But either way, I mean, you guys get a good sense of what it sounds like. Anyhow, guys, huge shout out to American Mufflers. They most certainly took care of Braven, and I appreciate them for doing so. If you're local and you guys are looking for exhaust work, man, most certainly hit them up. They not only do good work, but they also do it at a very reasonable price. I mean, that place that we went yesterday, they wanted to charge you $400, bro.
Yeah, honestly, when we were leaving, I was like, I'd rather have a stock exhaust.
Dude, $400. They also let me know that if you guys pull up and you have your phone, show them that you are subscribed to the channel. Show them that you are subscribed to Deadbeat Garage, and they'll give you 10% off of any exhaust work or any automotive repair that you need, bro. But here's their business card. I'm also gonna have all this in the description down below. So if you guys want to pause the video, take a screenshot or something. I really do appreciate the guys over at American Muffler. We're going to be taking the BMW over there here pretty soon. But yeah, I'm definitely interested to see what this thing's going to sound like actually being all opened up. So that's pretty much it for today, man. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get onto the EK sedan. I need to start doing some work on that because I need to get it ready for the giveaway. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next one. Later there, Rughead.
Peace out.
Is that UPS for us?
Dude, I hope so. Imagine.
Dude,
Right now, boy.
that might be from Max, my friend.
Might be. Maybe. I
Hmm.
mean, it was just no.
Ah, they went to the neighbor's house. Damn it. Blue balls.